Welcome back to another English class. Hi guys, I'm missing you a lot, but at the same time, I know you are enjoying your time with your family. Today we are going to continue our learning on this lesson. Practices vocabulary and role playing like we did last time. Okay, so let's begin. So you're going to click on Burlington English and you're going to go to the website at burlingtonenglish.com and you are going to enter your credentials, your username, and your password. Okay, just like I'm going to do it right now. As usual, we are going to go over the vocabulary. We're going to click on English and American English for beginners. And we are going to Module 7. Okay? Module 7 deals with healthcare. Healthcare. Making an appointment with the doctor. So that would be number 7 here, healthcare. Making an appointment with the doctor. Here we are. So we went over the vocabulary, how to go to a doctor's office and what to say when you are in a medical center. So now we are going to do a little bit more of the role play that we left off. We did this part. We also did the activities, okay? And we are going to do this one instead, or we're going to read it, okay? We're going to do the activities after, okay? So let's read it. Omega Medical Center. Make your appointments online. You can now make a doctor's appointment right here on our website. Here is how to do it. Enter your name and password. Click on the name of your doctor. Click on the date you would like your appointment. Look for a time the doctor is free. Click on the time you would like. Do you have questions? Please call and talk to our receptionist. All right. So based on this, let's listen one more time.
Make your appointment online.
Make your appointment online.
You can now make a doctor's appointment.
You can now make a doctor's appointment.
Right here on our website.
Right here on our website.
Here is how to do it.
Here is how to do it.
Enter your name and password.
Enter your name and password.
Click on the name of your doctor.
Click on the name of your doctor.
Click on the date you would like for your appointment.
Click on the date you would like for your appointment.
Look for a time the doctor is free.
Look for a time the doctor is free.
Click on the time you would like.
Click on the time you would like.
Do you have questions?
Do you have questions?
Please call and talk to our receptionist.
Please call and talk to a receptionist. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we are going to do the exercise that comes based on this reading. Okay, so let's go ahead. It says here, number 1, you can use your computer to make an appointment. Is this true or false? Can you make an appointment at Omega Medical Center? True or false? Yes, it's true. Let's go to the next one. To make a doctor's appointment, click on a time and then enter your name and password. Is that correct? To make a doctor's appointment, you need to click on a time and then enter your name and password. What does it say here? It says enter your name and password first. Then click on the name of your doctor Click on the date you would like your appointment. Look for a time the doctor's free. Click on the time you would like. To make doctor's appointment, says number 2, click on a time. Then enter your name and password. No. You have to enter your password first and then make the appointment. So this is false. Let's go to the next one, number 3. The receptionist can help you if you have questions. Do you have any questions? Please call and talk to our receptionist. Yes, this is true. You can always call, just like you can always call me. Number 4. You can talk to the doctor to make an appointment. Is this true? Can you talk to a doctor to make an appointment? Let's see. Enter your username. You can make a doctor's appointment right here in our website. Here's how do you do it. Enter your name and password. Click on the name of your doctor. Click on the date you would like for your appointment. Look for a time the doctor is free. Click on the time you would like. Do you have any questions? Please call and talk to a receptionist. Talk to the receptionist, but it doesn't say anything about talking to a doctor. Generally, you don't call and talk to the doctor. You call to talk to someone that works in the clinic, like the receptionist, and that person will help you making the appointment. So this statement, it's false. Let's check. How do we do? Yep, that's correct. All right, so based on this, let's do few activities. Okay, so now what we're going to do here, we are going to look at figure number 1, figure 2, figure 3, figure 4, and 5, and we are going to match it with this vocabulary that we see right here. We have click on the date you want, click on the time you want, see what time the doctor is free, click on your doctor's name, and enter your name and password. So number 1, what is this? Name and password. Is it click on the day you want? No, it isn't. Click on the time you want? Nope. See what time the doctor's free? No, it isn't. Click on your doctor's name? Nope. Enter your name and password. Yes, number 1 is enter your name and password. Number 2, what is this underlined right here that is on red? Dr. Curtis, choose your doctor. Oh, we're choosing our doctor. Number 2, click on the day you want? No, it isn't. Click on the time you want? No, it isn't. See what time the doctor is free? No, it isn't. Click on your doctor's name. That is the winner. Ding, ding, ding. Click on your doctor's name. Correct. Let's look at number 3. Number 3 looks like a calendar because it is a calendar. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Sunday. The appointment must be made on Wednesday the 5th. So what are the options we have? Click on the date you want? No. Click on, well, yeah, that would be one. Click on the date you want. I believe number 3 is click on the date you want. All right, you get to click. Let's go to number 4. Wednesday, May 5th. Click on the make an appointment. 12:30, 1 o'clock, 1:30, 2 o'clock. Click on the time you want. So you click on the time you want. And finally, this figure number 5 shows Wednesday, May 5th. Click on them to make an appointment. See what time the doctor is free. Let's see if that is correct. Let's check. Oh, we made a mistake. Maybe this one was not supposed to be there. Show first answer. Show all answers. That's correct. See what time the doctor is free. So number 4 is see when the doctor is free. The blue ones show you that the doctor is free. And right here, the last one, you click based on those things. The other way around, I'm sorry. The ones that are not in blue, that means they are available. So that is what you do here, okay? You click on the ones that are blank, so that means that is available. Well, this is how you do it when you try to make something online, okay? You have to make sure that you select what you really want. Let's go to another activity. Okay, to make an appointment, you have to drag the words up here. Click password, website, date, receptionist, and free. Let's drag and figure it out. Make an appointment on or click on or password, website, date, receptionist, or free. Make an appointment on or website according to the reading. First, enter your name and click or password. First, enter your name and password. That's correct. Then click on the name of your doctor. Now click on the you want for your appointment. Now click on the date you want for your appointment. The date, correct? Find the times when the doctor is free or available, and on the time you would like, and click on the time you would like. You can also call the receptionist to make an appointment by phone. Well, everyone, this was the activity for today. What I would like you guys to do is to follow it and do it on your own, okay? Repeat the sentences. Please repeat the vocabulary, and I will see you here again for another English class and practice your English. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.